every time. I moogle. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Colton with Bear Scare Beauty, back again. And I don't really have anything interesting to do today, so I'm just gonna do a challenge. So I think this is arguably my favorite brush I've ever used. This is the, what do you call it? Delium Tools 990 curved face brush. I've got the green bamboo and then the golden triangle one. I just really love it. It's such a good brush. I'm gonna do my full face using this brush. Now I am gonna use two separate ones, one for cream foundation and stuff, and then the other one's for powder. So that's what we're doing today. Yeah, before we start, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, same way it's spelled here, Bear Scare Beauty, and Twitch. Like the video, comment down below, it'd mean a lot to me. Trying to get to 100 subs, 2021, we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna use my most loathed Hourglass Vanish foundation. I'm just trying to get rid of it. Hold on, before we get started, look at how frickin' cute this is. This is a Moogle pocket mirror. Final Fantasy. Oh my god, it's so adorable. I love it. First thing we're gonna do, I lied about the foundation. I'm gonna do the eyes. I'm gonna blend the primer out with my fingers because you know. I'm gonna do my eyes with that giant brush. Now, these eyes are not going to be precise or good. So we're just gonna keep it real vague, real broad. I'm gonna start by using Afterlife in the 1991 palette. Ooh, honey baby child. I am not doing well immediately. Hold on. All right. Oh my god. I'm gonna section off a little bit here and I'm gonna dip into like the camel nude shade called Echo. And I'm just gonna try to like, that's actually working. It's actually working, and I kinda hate that that's actually working, though I guess what is a makeup brush but a collection of bristles? Oh god, come on, baby. Come on, baby. It's so awkward to hold. Okay, oh god. How am I gonna... This is not going to be... You can't even see what I'm doing on camera. Hold on, let me pull y'all in. I mean, it's building it up pretty well. I just... Oh, good lord. Why does this look exactly like when I use regular brushes? Am I just that good? Am I just that big a hack? Oh my god. New brush idea, Delium Tools. Come on. Come on. Give me credit. Sponsor me. Collab with me, Delium. What's a 30 sub channel gotta do? That's pretty much as good as we're gonna get it. Okay, hold on. Okay, I gotta deepen this up because I gotta actually attempt. Oh god. Okay, we're just gonna go full bore and I'm dipping into Bad Liar. It's the deepest shade in the palette. And we're just gonna... Oh, there's so much on there. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh no. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. I'm like digging into my eye socket. I know y'all really can't tell. Oh no. It's not the worst. I have done worse, and that's upsetting. That is actually... Don't text me. Okay, we're gonna move on. Oh, well, that's a mistake. It's like blending outside of the line because of the other bristles. Why is this actually kind of turning out though? Like, honestly, oh god, my camera is so like... And look at that shit. It's not bad. It's not the greatest, but it's not bad. Okay, I'm gonna do Lullaby. How am I gonna do this? All right, I'm gonna do Lullaby, and I'm gonna try to like scrape it like a fan brush and just like... Okay, but why did that... I mean, I guess I'm asking why did that work, but I mean, it is a brush. It's just not its intended use. Yeah, it kind of worked. It kind of worked great, actually. Oh my lord. It kind of worked great, actually. I just need to clean up right here and right here, but this might actually slap. Okay, I'm gonna use this same brush for foundation because why not? I'm sorry, I gotta pull back a little bit. Now I learned this foundation only looks serviceable if you rub it in with your fingers. Otherwise, it is an enormous waste of money, and I hate it. So we're gonna see how awful it looks. Hold on, I gotta move some foundation real estate around. All right. It's like not moving it at all. There's like no foundation on my nose right now. Oh my god. Cause it's like, it's so like ploofy that it's just absorbing all the foundation. Okay.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
I'm gonna take a combination. It's the BH Pro concealer with the worst. Oh man. Now this is no fault of the brush, but that foundation is so dry looking. Oh my god. Yeah, I hate the applicator on this concealer. I hate it. Take that, since it's like, it's not too dark for me, but it's like a little darker than I would like. Oh god, and I'm so used to getting like so close to under the eyes. And this is the ColourPop Hyaluronic, pretty fresh? Pretty fresh. Hyaluronic concealer, okay. Oh, baby. Oh man. I mean, why is that not the way? It's not great. It's not good, but it's not bad. Well, it didn't make a difference in the texture of the foundation, that's for sure. This foundation looks awful no matter what. Did it? Does it look... Well, okay, no, I did just do a chemical peel on my forehead, so I was gonna say, does it look amazing on my forehead? No, that's just because I have no dry skin on my face currently because I ate it all away with alpha hydroxy acid. AHA! I'm turning into a frat boy. Okay. It's not the worst foundation brush. It's kind of fierce, actually. Why am I saying fierce? Wait a minute. This is eyes and face done with one brush. Now, I mean, obviously, I'm gonna use it for powders because I hate the sifter on this powder. All right, I'm gonna try to powder my under eyes. I mean, look, it's gonna work for a powder brush. Boom, powdered. Hold on. Because I can feel my forehead creasing. I'm just gonna powder the old Grand Canyon here. There's the dry skin. There it is. The second powder touches this foundation. I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line too, so we'll do that at the end. We'll do that at the very end. So itchy. Okay, we're gonna do bronzer and highlights. So I'm gonna do a combination of brush and bronzer today. I'm gonna use the Milani. I haven't used this in, oh, it's breaking. I haven't used this in forever. This is the Coral Cove. I really like this blush. It's really pretty. I'm on a tear today, I guess. I don't know. This is like the this is like the second time I filmed since I started my new job. I didn't really stream all week either, just because I had like, I don't know, I had to spend time with my boyfriend, you know? And I didn't get to do that because my schedule changed, so I was like, oh, you know, the two people that watch me will understand. Take a little bit of that blush, just right on the nose, and then right here on the cheeks. I'm just feeling very gay today. Is that okay? Can I be gay? Not gay as in happy, gay as in depressed and drinks a lot. Once again, because I forgot about it and I really like it. The Essence Sun Club bronzer. Oh my god, it smells like coconut suntan lotion. I love it. Like the banana boat? Aloha? Whatever it was called. The like really brown suntan lotion. Came in like the brown bottle. I don't know. Honestly? I mean, okay, now the powder aside, like obviously, oh, it's a powder brush. I wonder how it's gonna look with the powders. Tell you how long I've had this thing. The packaging doesn't work anymore. I wonder if I could depot it. Probably not. I've had it more than 12 months, and baby, it says it's got a 12-month shelf life, but I'm gonna smoke out under my eyes. I'm just gonna use Safe Word. It's the really like, it's like a red, it's like a cherry brown. I don't know if that description makes any sense, but if you see it in real life, it would. Oh yeah. I'm not even looking at what I'm doing. I don't even know why I'm bothering to hold the mirror up. Like, this is just in the Lord's hands now. We're on a mission from God. I mean, I have successfully added bags back to my face. You know, I'm sure if I did the thing where like I pinched it and focused, but I don't really want to. Oh my god, like the bristles are just poking into my eye, and I just feel like they're directly trying to spear my brain. Do we see that? Do I look tired? Oh, I look hella tired. I look corpse-like. It's kind of a look. It's kind of a look. Honestly, oh my god. I could totally get away with doing this, like, going to work and just being like, I'm way too tired. I gotta leave. And I don't think anybody would question it. Why does my foundation look good, actually? Highlighter. It's gonna take the ColourPop. All the print is coming off of that, which is really annoying because this is like a limited edition thing. So I'm really disappointed in that, but this is the Lantern Fest. By the way, it's not like I've used this aggressively or thrown it around. It's pretty much just sat on my desk the entire time I've had it. So there's literally no reason for the print to be coming off already. No! Good as new. You know what? Oh. Nope, that doesn't want to come off on my face. You know what? Oh god, oh no. Oh no. It's cream product. I technically used the brush, so that's gonna count. Oh god, it's so chunky in my eyebrow. No, what did I do? I'm not even gonna bother with lipstick. I would never be able to use this as a lip brush. I don't care what. I'm not gonna make a fool of myself on my own channel. We're gonna try one more. I'm gonna take, I think it's Pixie. It's the shimmery white with the gold duochrome. I'm just gonna use that to really top this highlight. Oh yeah. Do we see that? Do we see that? I honestly don't really see it on camera, but you know, oh my god. Oh, I look deranged. Let me pull y'all in a little further. Do we see this? The highlight's kind of popping. I look nuts. Okay, I mean, hey, that's a fun short little video. Anyways, once again, thank you for watching. This has been the Delium One Brush Challenge. Delium 990 face brush. Hey, you know what? If anything, this did prove that you can do most of your face with one brush. Just saying. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Twitch. Same way it's spelled here, Bear Scare Beauty. Like, subscribe, comment, all that. But I hope you guys have a lovely day, week, month, or year. And I love you all, my little ScareCubs. Bye!